Welcome to the Mido e-commerce React Native Expo UI Kit template, your perfect solution for building high-quality mobile e-commerce applications with ease. Built with the power of React Native and Expo, Mido is packed with sleek, modern, and fully customizable UI components that are perfect for any e-commerce platform. Whether you're starting a new store or upgrading an existing one, Mido gives you everything you need to launch your app in no time. With Mido, you get access to a wide range of pre-designed screens, including user authentication, product listings, shopping cart, and checkout, all fully responsive for any device. Navigating through your app is a breeze with Mido's smooth and user-friendly design. Easy-to-use menus, product filters, and quick access to key sections ensure a seamless shopping experience from start to finish. Mido also gives you flexibility with its customizable features. Modify colors, typography, and layout to match your brand style, without the need for extensive coding. Built with clean, well-documented code, Mido is perfect for developers who want to save time without sacrificing quality. Its modular design and reusable components help you integrate new features and ensure fast performance. Whether you're a startup or a well-established business, Mido is the ultimate template for building professional e-commerce mobile apps. Get started today and take your store to the next level with Mido e-commerce React Native Expo UI Kit template. Visit the link in the description to get started and explore all the features Mido has to offer.